Igbo ndị ọma na-ege ntị, ọ ga-adịrị na anyị mma n'ụbọchị taa. Ọ ga-agbala isi ama na ọ mbọrọ isi ọfụma na ebe ndị asị n'ụbọchị taa ọ ga-adịrị anyị mma. Ọ ga-adịrị anyị mma. Chi fụrụ agwọ fụrụ nkwụ fụrụ eke fụrụ ya pụtara ihe ọma. Onye asị na ọ ga-abalị ụlọ ife ọbụla na-eme ihe ọbụla na-eme na akwụkwọ akụ n'ọtọ ya na-agara n'ọfụma. Onye na-eme nke ọjọọ ya napụ nke ọjọọ, onye asị jide nke o ji ya jisi ike. Wee na-asụ n'ụbọchị taa na ọbịa be anyị ka bịa gbuo anyị, a sị m ma na biya ngwongwo maka na mmapụ ka awụ ji enweta ike. Onye fụrụ anyị wee sị na ya afụkpọ anya a sị ma na ya biya ngwongwo. Onye fụrụ anyị wee jebe aja ije a sị m ụkwụ kpụ ya n'ezi agbajie n'ike. Ebe ọ bụ na ife ọma dị, a sị m ya dute anyị aka n'ụbọchị taa, ya dute anyị aka ma bụrụ anyị nke ihe ngosi, maka anyị na-ayọ Chukwu okike abịa ma ya asị ya biko okike bi n'igwe ekekere ụwa, anyị nwere ike nke aka anyị, ike niile anyị ji akpa ike, ife niile bụ ike anyị ji eme ife ndị anyị na-eme bụ ikike nyanwa bụ okike ka o si wee bịa. Onye nyere anyị ikikere na-egosisi anyị ụzọ anyị na-aga, na-egosi anyị ife a na-eme ya ka anyị ji eme ife ọbụla anyị na-eme. A na-eburu okike ụzọ, a na-enye Chukwu okike ekene onye ka ike nne dị n'aka ya. Ya nwere ike aka anyị, ike nne dị n'aka ya. Nya ji mma jide ji, onye ọwara iji olie. Ewee na-asụ Chukwu okike abịa ma ya mere ka anyị chekee ka anyanwụ ma anyị amada ka anyanwụ. Ebe niile ihe ọbụla gị dị bụ ihe ọma, ya mere ka o ruo anyị aka. Ya nwa bụ akwụkwọ chara acha ya dala anyị yọọ ma metara anyị ezigbo mkpụrụ, maka na onye zụpụtara anyị n'ụwa ewesị na ife apụtara n'ụwa bụ ka emegbuo mmadụ ibe ya ana na-ebi ya ajọ ngwongwo. Onwe ife dị ka mmadụ kwụba aka ya ọtọ. Ana m anabata n'ụbọchị nke taa na Dr. Akụkọ Agụ Herbal TV. Agụ owu the availability doctor. Onye na-afụ anya gị na-akparị nkata kịta anya, onye ka a na-akpọ Dr. Akụkọ Agụ. Agụ ka ibia, agụ na-eri agụ ibia, mana ụnụ fọm unu ga-ala ike m. Ama onye nke unu. Nwanne na-asọ biko ọ bụrụ na ijebe abịa binye aka n'ife a na-eme, ị gaa na subscription button ị ga-afụ ebe edere dị ya, iruo dị ya ị sọskraịbụ, ị ga-afụ nke bel dị ya, ị ga-afụ ya dị ya, fụkwa ebe ede kọmentị, fụkwa ebe a na-ede laik, na-efolokwa na kọmentị kwa. Na-asị gị ọ bụrụ na isoba n'ife a na-eme gbapụ ya ọsọ biko, echena ka chi fụkpọ gị bifo ụbọchị a agbatuwe ka ime ife kwesịrị ime. Ọ na-eme ngwa ngwa megala ọdachi, maka na agadi nwaanyị bụ ibu ala ugwu iru adịghị atị ọchị. Onye okenye adịghị ekewa onwe ya oke. Nwanne na-asụ Chukwu okike ekewa na ya oke. To the case, if you have not been following Dr. Akụkọ Agụ Herbal TV, the man you are seeing here is Dr. Akụkọ Agụ, the man that has solution to every of your problem. All you need, whatever that is troubling you, whatever that is disturbing you, any type of problem you have, go to comment section or send me a direct message. I will send you remedies to use. I will tell you what to do. Any kind of sickness that is disturbing you, I have solution by the special grace of Chukwu okike abịa, not by my power. The power He gave to me, the things He showed me is not something that I went to school to learn. It's something that I inherited from ancestors. That is why I always bring it to you free of charge. The only thing you have to do for me is just for you to make sure that this video goes viral. Let this video reach every platform. Let everybody be a part, know what is happening and know where we are and how to help themselves and the things they're supposed to do at the right time in order for them to have a healthy life and longer life. Very, very important. Without wasting much time, I only have one thing to show you because this very thing, there's most time our people suffer for what they don't supposed to suffer for. Most of the illness killing our people today, suffering, putting our people in under 6 feet, putting them before their time in the grave, taking their life. Someone that's supposed to live longer life, because of negligence or out of ignorance, that person that person will go and kill himself and die before his or her time. Something that's supposed to use minor something, very simple something to stop that thing for me to that's you can be able to have for you to have another extra years ahead. But negligence and the I don't know what to call it, make so many of our people die very, very, very early. Early age death is very, very bad. We need to be more than 100 and something years before we die. How can people be dying at earlier age? Very bad. It's a cause. So there's something I want to show you. This very thing, some of you, everybody know it. Everybody know it. But most of us will normally neglect it. Some of us see it, but we see it in the market and everywhere. Look at it. You don't know that this thing has a very, 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 very good health benefit for us. There are so many things this thing do in our body. In our body system, this thing cures so many sicknesses in our body, prevent so many of them, heal so many of them, heal wound and other things. That's what I want to show you. They call it Aidan fruit. Aidan fruit is the name. Some of you knows this. This is what they call Aidan fruit. Aidan fruit is the name. We in Igbo land, we call it Oda. We call it also Moloda. Oda. It has seed inside and it has the body. Both of them is very, very useful. We make use of two of both of them. So I just want to let you know that this thing can take you far in life. This thing that you are seeing can make you live a healthier and longer life. This thing has a lot of health benefits, but some of you don't know. So I'm going to read it out for you. Please listen very attentively. I want to read it out for you. The benefit of this very odor, Eden fruit. I'm going to read it out. Number one is it controls blood sugar in your system, blood sugar level. There are people that have blood sugar and have diabetes. There are people that because if you don't take care of blood sugar in their system, it leads to diabetes. This very odor alone can regulate and lower your sugar level, the sugar in your body system. It regulates diabetes and the treatment of type 2 diabetes. It regulates diabetes in your system and type 2 of diabetes. This is the remedy. This is what you need. One. Two, antibacterial and the anti-inflammatory. Antibacterial, anti-inflammatory. You know what it means? Characteristic infection help to heal bacteria and skin problems. Every skin problems. Bacteria in your system, skin problems. This very thing kill every bacteria in your system. Should in case maybe you have something, maybe you are before you eat something, or there's some fruit you got in your house, or something you prepare, or even in your place, maybe where you find out, just cut some of this and put it there. If there's any bacteria there, you see what you do to that bacteria, both in your toilet, anywhere you know that maybe where you used to store foods, there's some bacteria there. Cut some of this and drop it there. You find out what it's going to do to all the old bacteria there. Very, very, very anti-inflammatory, very, very important. Characteristic infection. Characteristic infection, some of the infection that doesn't never heal in time. There are some injuries that some people have sometimes. It don't normally heal in time. This with this older Aidan fruit, you have you have another chance to live. You have a hope that you are going to get rid of that from your system. Very, very helpful for you. Three, it lowers blood pressure. It lowers blood pressure, your blood pressure. It lowers your blood pressure. In your system, this lowers your blood pressure. If your blood is too high, you know what normally cause blood pressure? Everybody know what normally cause it these days when things are very difficult, when their life are very difficult, things are not moving the way it's supposed to move. Some people find it difficult to even feed 3 square meal. Some people find it difficult to even take care of the family. Most times, it leads to high blood pressure. But with this odor, iron fruit, it lower their blood pressure level. The blood pressure level, the pressure, it lower it very, very down. It treats heart disease as well. It treats heart disease. Every heart disease, it treats heart diseases, lower blood pressure, and also help hypertension patients to control their oxidation level. It helps hypertension, somebody that hypertensive patients, all the hypertensive patients, it helps them to what to control their oxidation level because oxidation level is what makes it to rise when you cannot be able to control. When you get a bit anger, when something comes to you, something that make you get annoyed, instantly oxidation level will rise. When it rise, it will affect you. It can affect the blood pressure. It goes up. But with this odor, it will bring it down automatically. You have a hope. You have a better life ahead. You have what you will take care of. What will take care of it. This is what you need. You don't need more any other thing. This is what you need. This is what you need. I will tell you how to prepare it later. Number four is boost immune system. Boost immune system. There are so many people, their immune system is very low. Immune system is very low. Most times, depending on sometimes age, when somebody is becoming more coming of age, when somebody is getting more older, the immune system start going down. Sometimes sickness causes, sometimes lack of nutrition, very nice food, nutrition food normally cause immune system to be low. Sorry. If you don't eat, your body system doesn't take what it's supposed to take. It makes your body system very, very weak and low. And when your body system is weak, automatically your immune system is become low. And every human being, immune system is supposed to be high to carry your body. But if your immune system is low, you cannot be able to carry your body system. Your body will become weak. Most times you feel weak because your body system is weak. That is why you need most time to make sure that your immune system is high. This item fruit odor help you. Some people call it ebe as well. Some people call it ebe. Some call it ebe. Some call it oda. Some call it in English Adam fruit. Some call it oda. Some call it ebe. So for those that use another language, ebe or oda, can use any of them. In addition to adding taste to dishes, because you know that most of us, most of our people, they prefer to use it to just to be cooking food and eating. Then with that food you use this thing to cook, you don't know what this thing is giving, the type of flavor, the type of ingredient, the type of power is given to your food. Just not to just cook it as some people use to cook pepper soup, or use to cook normal food, other things. Any food that you use this thing to cook, after eating that food, you must see some changes in your body because this thing help your immune system, build you very, 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 very solid. In your inner part, your most matter parts, it help you to systemize your inner part. Very, very important because it's very, 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 very strong. Very hard to contain a lot of things. This very thing, ebe, odor, and Adam food contain a lot of things. A lot of things. When you use the cook, you know that food you will feel some kind of different taste, different flavor. Anytime you use this to cook food, those that come from Igbo land and those that come from maybe your other side and other part of those other places that normally use this kind of thing, when you use this to cook food, you'll find out that the food will have a different taste than food that you cook without this thing. You have different taste. The taste and the flavor will be very, very different from the one you don't cook with it. So it help you in the dish taste. The plant is high in vitamins, very, very, very high in vitamins. As you are seeing this, very, very, very high in vitamins, vitamins, iron, calcium, potassium, zinc, and magnesium. This is what this Aidan fruit, EBE UDA fruit contain. Iron, calcium, potassium, zinc, and magnesium contain a lot of vitamins. This thing you are seeing, you can even cook it normal and drink it. You will see what is happening to your system. Body system become something different from how it used to be. Strengthen the immune system, make it more stronger, boost it to give you power. So many of you, maybe sometimes you see yourself maybe maybe growing more fatter or feeling having big tummy, having big chest, believing that you are alive. Maybe your body is shining, but inside you, you are dead. You are just a walking corpse. You feel that you believe and feel that you are alive. You are not alive. Until when sometimes you go to hospitals, then when the doctor do your ultrasound scanning system, when you go through it, you'll find out that what you come out from your system, you find out that inside you are empty. But you look at yourself, you are heady, you are boy, you are feeling your body is pumping up. Those time, most time, pumping up is not good health. Sometimes it's sickness inside you that is growing, making the person to feel very big, something getting fatter. Head is swelling up, face are swelling up, you don't know. That's why sometimes once in a while you need to go to doctor for medical checkup. Always use natural things. Always try to make use of natural things. Natural things around you helps you a lot to build all your body system, blood pressure, and everything. Make sure that your body system is okay. Healthier body, healthier system, strength, power, energy. It gives you natural things is very, very important. Bio, bio things are very, very important in your system. Don't neglect them because they are very, very useful to you. Don't say because it's orange. Ordinary orange you are seeing contain a lot of things. Only orange, back of orange and inside orange contain a lot of things that help your system, but you don't know. So another one is zinc. Protect the body from viral and respiratory. Protect the body from the virus and the respiratory infections. Somebody that cannot breathe very well. Somebody that cannot breathe very well. Sometimes people find it difficult to breathe. Sometimes in the night and the day, they have what they call respiratory infection problem. Sometimes you go to doctor, sometimes they do operation on other things. But this thing will help you to fix them because there's zinc. That's why your body system needs zinc. But your zinc, if you don't have zinc in your system, that's what cause it. But when you have your body zinc in your system, all these things help you. With this, you are you are protected, you're covered. This will help you very well to build zinc in your body system. With while iron raises blood pressure. Iron in it raises their blood pressure, and potassium and calcium build bones. Potassium and calcium build bones, make your bones more stronger and solid, build your bones and muscular disease, any muscular disease, anything in your muscle, any problem in your muscle, it help you to breathe. And that is what they will work off where potassium, calcium is what it helps you to do. Number 5 is heal infection. Every infection, this is heal so many infection. Treatment of sexual transmitted diseases. Any sexual transmitted diseases, either leaf will help you to clean it out of your system. We kill it automatically, cut it off and clean it and kill it. Malaria infection, very, very perfect, very, very okay, and very, very solid for malaria. Asthma, people that have asthma, arthritis, and rheumatism, this is what you need. What you need is this either ebe fruit, either fruit in English, ebe in Igbo, Uda in Igbo. That is the name. This is what you need. It will help you to systemize the body. Every sickness, every infection disease. This is take care of it. Every infection disease, like any sexual transmitted disease, malaria, asthma, arthritis, and rheumatism. This is what you need. And the last in the list, ailment treatment. Every ailment treatment. Help lessen epileptic seizure. People that have epilepsy, this thing help it to help to regulate the epileptic seizure and convulsion, leprosy and sneaking. Leprosy, people that have leprosy, this is what they used to call leprosy in the olden days. People that have leprosy, then if you go where they take care of them, this is this is one of the greatest instruments that they'll be using. Anytime, if you find anywhere around you, go there, check out what they are using. Try to find out what they are using to take care of leprosy people. You'll find out that this Eda fruit is always there, 24 hours. They have it a lot. The water is very, very useful. That's what they use to take care of epileptic people, convulsion people, leprosy. This is what they take care of them. Anytime you see these people, leprosy people, they use them, they give them the water, they drink it. Epileptic people, they drink it. He sees their tooth form. He sees the system, not to disturb them more. Sorry, I'm having some cough. So it helped them very well to clean out the system. This is all you need, and this is it. The preparation for this, all these things that I explained to you, all you don't need much thing. All you need is this. Cut them into pieces. Get the seeds inside. Open the inside. Get the seeds, all the seeds, bring them out, and slide and the body, cut the body into pieces. Cut the body, put them in the pot. Put the seed in the pot. Boil it, cook it, 30 minutes. Cook it. You can Start with one. Make sure that you at least 1.5 liter of water or 2 liters of water is okay. 2 liters of water for 30 minutes so that the water can go down. Then you start taking it. You take it morning, afternoon, and night. Normal water. Don't mix it anything. Don't need anything. All this natural water is what you need. Water of this thing. Take it morning. If you have time in the afternoon, if you don't have time in the afternoon, you take it morning and night before going to bed. Before going to bed. After eating. Don't drink before eating. After eating. After eating, you can drink it before going out in the morning. Afternoon, you can take it. If you come back in the night after eating, before going to bed, you can take it again. Just try this, and you'll be grateful to Almighty God. This is all I want to show you for today. But don't forget, go to my channel, go to subscription button, go and click on it, go and subscribe, share this video, let it go viral, let it go to every platform, every YouTube channel, share it, let other people benefit from it. It's free of charge. My channel is free of charge. Share to your own YouTube channel, share to your own platform, any platform you belong, go and share it free of charge. Like, follow Dr. Agukagu Herbal TV. Comment always. If you try any remedies that I teach, if it works for you, go to comment section, send message there, drop a message there for other people to know how it works for you, for them to understand that it's working, so they can be able to try it as well. So as it help you, let it help others. As it benefit you, let it benefit others. Don't just go and do something on your own, it work for you, it becomes selfish on your own, doesn't want to leak the secret out, leak the secret out. Don't forget, I am still Dr. Agoka Ago, the availability doctor. Ago Owu, Ago Neri Agibia, Agoka Ago, one of whom one can like him. If you see me, you will like me. I'm still one of you. Thank you and see you soon.